For those of you who guessed, yes, we went to Hawaii for our 50-50-50 trip. Now, why is it a 50-50-50 trip? Well, it was our 50th anniversary. Hawaii is the 50th state, and Hawaii was my 50th state. So I have now been in all the states. After we checked into our motel, looked around a little bit in our room and in the hotel, we went out and tried to get our bearings of where we were located in Waikiki Beach. This is Don Ho in the International Marketplace. We were disappointed in it because it wasn't the little native shops anymore. It was upscale shopping, and we were not interested in that. The captain of the airplane advised everyone not to go to bed until about 9 o'clock. The stewardess recommended the same thing. Everybody you met, everywhere you went, said the same thing, including our hotel when we checked in. Don't go to bed till 9 o'clock. Well, Bruce conked out at 7:30, and I gave up at 8 because we were just absolutely bushed. Why does everybody advise you to stay up and not go to bed? Because that's the best way to get you on Hawaii time and over the jet lag. We have been up a total of about 20 hours. And at that point, we hardly knew what we were doing anymore.